Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about a new join promotion going on right now with Stampin' Up. The starter kit for Stampin' Up is already a great deal. It's $99 and you get to choose any $125 worth of products to make up your starter kit. Personalize it just for you. Stick with stamps, stick with paper, whatever it is, ink colors that you want to build your personal starter kit. And you choose $125 worth of products and pay only $99 plus tax, but it ships free. And that is your starter kit. But right now, during the month of June, you get to choose even more. You get to add an additional bundle to your starter kit for free. So you can pick a stamp set and punch bundle. This is the new jar of flowers bundle. It's beautiful. And you've got a punch and a stamp set, and you can add that for free to your already great starter kit. And if you have a die cutting machine, maybe think about getting a stamp and a die set for your free additional bundle. And this is the most expensive one in the catalog. So this one's $60. So you can add this free $60 bundle to your starter kit right now during the month of June. And when you join my team, I can help you out to do whatever it is that you want to do. Maybe you just want to be a savvy shopper and get a discount on products. That's a great reason to join. And I have a Facebook team page and all kinds of help to help you figure out how to maximize your points and all that sort of stuff. Maybe you want to kick it up a notch and have a few friends over and craft together as a group, maybe put together paper pumpkin kits together once a month, or do things like that. Just take a few little orders, and that's great too. And you can do that, and I can help you figure that out. Or maybe you want to kick it up even further, have a Facebook business page or a YouTube channel, sell some products and make a little bit of extra money on the side, and I can help you with that too. So you can do this any way you want. This is your demonstratorship, and so it's a good idea to join. You can drop at any time. There's no obligations, and it's just a fun community of stampers, and we have a great Stampin' Up provides an online community for us to share ideas and how we're doing business, and also just card ideas. Or we also have my team page, and I help people that way as well too, and try to build a little community. So if you are a stamper and just like buying products, you can join. It's a great idea. So anyway, join during June, join my team, contact me with any questions whatsoever, and I will help you figure out what's best for you. Bye.